Hi friends, this is Suraj and welcome to our channel Pharmagenian. Every student might be thinking like when and from where should we start for GPAT preparation. If that's the question, then you are on the right channel. Today I will tell you about how to systematically plan for GPAT. So this is 7 month strategy to crack GPAT. According to PCI syllabus, we have tried to cover all the subjects and chapters. And you will also get an idea about which book should be read for which subject or chapter. So, with self knowledge is the self beginning of the improvement. With this self motivation, we will start to our presentation. The way of approach while preparing for GPAT should be like gain the knowledge, then practice it and test yourself until you become perfect in it. So, especially for the final year students, when you're going to start with for the preparation, June will be the probably first month. So every month are being classified with 5 subjects, and you will know how these subjects are classified and what to be studied in each month. Every month consists of a test which you have to take on yourself, or we can also provide you. So accordingly, in the first month for SOTIX, you have to do all the dosage form. In that, the main thing is that ingredients, its role, theories if involved, stability studies, and uses. Books like Ansel, Alton, Lachman should be read. I have covered all the chapters that are necessary for exams. You can read all these things. I will only highlight which are very crucial for the exam point of view. Okay, like for Pharmacology HEP1, you have to read the book Tortora. So every month you should be like self-motivated. For this month, it will be like your lack of decision is an insult to those who believe in you. So if you are believing in yourself to get a good rank, then don't insult yourself. In the second month, in SOTIX, you have to do states of matter and properties. For this, you have to read Martin. Then analysis is also a very important topic. In that, you have to do all types of titrations. If possible, make a chart that will be easy for you. And the book should you refer is Beckett and Stanley. Be confident in whatever you do. In third month, you have to focus on pharmaceutical engineering. There are many chapters in this, but if you make a chart, it will be easy for you to go through all these chapters and revise easily. Book is C.V.S. Subramaniam. There is one interesting topic like pathophysiology which is involved in your syllabus. So unit first and second are more important than other units. Harsh Mohan is the best book for this. Here we also include pharmacognosy and microbiology too. In microbiology, microbial assays are very important unit to by heart all this. Especially for microbial assays, you can read book of Swapnil Deshpande. In this month, you should remain patient but never take your eye off the goal. In the fourth month, again for pharmaceutics, important chapters like colloidal dispersion, rheology, coarse dispersion, micromeritics are there. Again, you have to read the same book like Martin. Here, pharmaceutical biotechnology is also important aspect. For that, QB immunology is the best book. In chemistry, heterocyclic compounds, their synthesis are very important. Book for chemistry is Bahal and Bahal, or you can also prefer Morrison Boyd. This month, stop getting distracted by things that have nothing to do with your goals. In fifth month, you have to do biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics. Unit first to 4 are important. Brahmankar is best book. Now from here in chemistry you will deal with medicinal chemistry part first. When you are doing study for medicinal chemistry, 4 points are very necessary like structure, their structural activity relationship, mechanism action and uses. For this only two books are very important, Wilson and Giswold and Foy's principle. In coology, all units are required. In fact, whole coology from part 1 to part 3 is very important and the books are K.D. Tripathi and Gargupta. There is increase of one topic like industrial pharmacy. In that, BCS classification of drug is very important and other units like second, third, fourth, fifth are also crucial. And the book for it is Lachman. In this month, you have to do like little by little, day by day. What's mean for you will find its way. In the sixth month, another important topic like novel drug delivery system is essential. Again, Brahmankar is better book for it. And for chemistry and ecology, as I told for previous month, do the same things. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. In the seventh month or the last month for preparation, we can say in SOTICS, the remaining part of PP1 and PP2, like drug stability, surface tension, all that things you have to cover. Again for chemistry and ecology, same things for the previous. Here analysis is crucial part, like instrumental method of analysis is very important topic. For this you have to go through the books like Y.R. Sharma, Chatwal Anand and Silverstein. Don't neglect jurisprudence, it is also important topic. Textbook of forensic pharmacy by B.M. Mittal is best for it. Be crazy enough to think you can make anything possible. 8th month. It is crucial because it is a month of exam. The only thing you should be positive and confident. You did not need to read anything new in this month. You have to just carry out a revision for it. Solve maximum number of mock tests. For test you can prefer book of Nazma Inamdar or we are also going to provide you with many mock tests so that you can solve and be confident about it. Believe in yourself and all that you are, known that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. When exams are closer, don't get panic. And during the exam time, don't think you have less time. This is sufficient. Try to solve those questions which you are confident about and then take a risk. Solving maximum questions are always beneficial and there is no need to get panic. Thank you and all the best.